Now today I will discuss the most vital and important chapter of interrogative sentence. That means question formations. As you cannot express the beauty of the night, we cannot express the loveliness of the night if the night doesn't have stars. So we cannot think about spoken English. We cannot think about the significance of conversations. We cannot make formation of interrogations without WH word. Yes, today I am going to discuss to you the formation of WH word in making questions. So, question formation with WH word. Firstly, before starting my class, I will discuss to you that what are the WH words? List of WH words. List of WH words. Yes, there are total 9 WH words which are mostly used, which are very essential and useful whenever we will converse with our friends. We cannot ignore the importance of WH words in conversations, in spoken English, because whenever you will ask something, whenever you will want to know something, some subject, some matters, you must go to WH words, and without WH word you cannot make sentence. So WH word is very vital. So I am writing one after one. What are the main WH words? There are 9 main WH words. That is what, second, where, third, when, fourth, why, fifth, which, sixth, who, 7, whom, 8, whose, and 9, how. So we can easily see on the board that there are main 9 WH words, and these are the main WH words by which we can make questions very easily. Now I am making the Bengali, as we are, most of us are Bengali learners from Bengali origin. That's why I am writing the Bengali form of the words. What always describes the, what always want to know the subject matter of the persons. So we can easily take it meanings like this. What means key visual. Okay. Where means কোথায়, when, কখন, why, কেন, which, কোনটি or কোনগুলি, who, কে বা কারা, whom, কাকে বা কাদেরকে, which, কার বা কাদের, how, কিভাবে. So these are the basic meanings of these words, WH words. What, key, where, কোথায়, describes the subject. Where means describes the place of the action. When describes the time of the action. Why describes the cause of the action. Why some kind of incidents are happening. So why always describes the cause of the subject. Which, কোনটি আর কোনগুলি, particular things is asked by which. Who, that means want to know the main subject. কে বা কারা. Whom, that means কাকে বা কাদেরকে। It always hunts for object form, whose, কার বা কাদের, and how it's কিভাবে, how this incident happened. So these are the basic meaning of WH words. Now in simple way I am making structure of WH sentence. I am writing here structure 1, 2. Structure of WH sentence. What is the structure? What is the basic structure of WH sentence? So the basic structure is like this. WH word, then AV, that means auxiliary verb, then subject, then MV, that means main verb, or final object or others, and at the end question form. WH word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, object or others. Suppose a Bengali sentence. কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? Where, কোথায়, WH word, তুমি, subject, বই, object, রাখা, main verb. কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? So the translation, what will be the translation of this sentence? So this is a informative questions. কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? So the correct translation will be like this: where have you kept the book? Where have you kept the book? Now I am repeating. Look at the structure of the sentence. The structure of WH word is like this. Firstly WH word, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then main verb or object or others. So whenever you will make question with WH word, you should think about the subject. You should identify whether about the tense of the sentence. You should clearly identify in which sentence, which kind of tense is your sentence belong to. Here, কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো বা রাখিয়াছো, ইয়াছে, that means this kind of sentence is from present perfect. And in present perfect tense, as you know, what is the structure of present perfect tense? Firstly subject, then according to number and person you should use have and has, and then third form of main verb, and finally object. তুমি বইটি রেখেছো, you have kept the book. It is the assertive form. It is the assertive form. Now, তুমি বইটি রেখেছো, you have kept the book. You subject, have auxiliary verb, kept main verb, and the book is object form. Now I am making question. কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? কোথায়, that means where. It's want to know the place of the action. That's why your auxiliary verb is where. And when the subject is present within your WH word, and whenever the subject is present, your structure will be like this. It has another structure. I will discuss it later. But whenever subject is present, your structure of WH sentence will be like this. Firstly, I am repeating. Firstly, WH word, then auxiliary verb, then your main subject, then your main verb, and finally object of others. Here, কোথায় তুমি বইটি রেখেছো? Where have you kept the book? Is it clear? Suppose I am talking to another sentence. কেন তুমি স্কুলে গিয়েছিলে না? বা কেন তুমি স্কুলে গিয়েছিলে? Why did you go to school? why did you go to school? কেন তুমি স্কুলে গিয়েছিলে না? Why didn't? Why did you not go to school? Or why didn't you go to school? So you should think about this. That WH word is very vital, very important. You should think about the structure of WH sentence, and you should always you should have a clear knowledge, clear idea about the meaning of WH words. So you should have two sides in your memory. One side is the clear meaning of WH word, and another side is that the structure of WH words, WH sentence. Then you don't have any problem whenever you will ask question by using WH words. All matters, all sentences will be very easy to you. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you so much. I will discuss it later. Good night.